Cats are a mystery that has captivated people's hearts for thousands of years. They are highly well-liked pets thanks to their intriguing personalities and gorgeous appearances. With so many cats around us, you'd think that everyone would know everything about them, right? Wrong. You probably aren't aware of all the fascinating facts about cats. In this video, we have brought you the 11 most interesting facts about female cats. But before we move any further, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Number 1. A litter of kittens can be from multiple fathers. Yes, you heard that right. Sometimes a litter of kittens comes from multiple daddies. This phenomenon is known as superfecundation. Believe it or not, if a female cat mates with more than one male during her fertile period, her eggs can potentially be fertilized by more than one male. This phenomenon also happens in other animals like dogs and cows. So how can you tell if a litter came from multiple fathers? Look to see if the kittens are a range of different colors. They might also be varying sizes and have different characteristics from each other. But even if the kittens look pretty similar, that doesn't always mean they have the same father. In a scenario where the mom and all the fathers are purebreds of the same breed, it can be impossible to know for sure. Number 2. They tend to be right-pawed. Believe it or not, most cats also have a dominant paw, just like how humans tend to have a dominant hand. Cats can have a dominant paw for scenarios where they have to reach for food, walk upstairs, step over an object, and so on. But what's even more interesting is that paw preference actually differs by sex. Unlike males who tend to prefer their left paws, females usually prefer their right paws. In fact, a study found that 52% of female cats showed a right-sided preference, and about 20% showed no preference at all. This left only 27% of females showing a left paw preference. I think these findings are pretty clear. Females are usually right. Number 3. They have a longer life expectancy. On average, female cats live 1 to 2 years more than male cats. But if you have a female cat, this isn't a reason to think your girl is invincible. Although the exact reasoning for this longer life expectancy isn't totally clear, what we do know is that other factors are much more likely to determine a cat's life expectancy. One example is whether a cat is indoors or outdoors. Outdoor cats live an average of 2 to 5 years, while indoor cats typically live 10 to 15 years. Number 4. They have 3 nicknames. It's well known that a female cat is known as a Molly or a queen. Molly is a generic nickname that is used for a female cat of any age. Next, the term queen is used when the cat is pregnant and about to give birth to her kittens. This term was derived from the word queening, which is a cat's birthing process. A female is continued to be called a queen until she stops nursing and raising her kittens. After that, she's a Molly once again. But there is a third lesser-known nickname for female cats, which is dam. This term is used to describe a purebred cat that is used for breeding or a cat that is an older female. Number 5. They can get pregnant young. The average female cat will go into her first heat cycle between 6 to 9 months of age, but a female can be as old as 12 months old or even as young as 4 months. Yes, you heard that right. A cat can start her heat cycle as young as a 4-month-old, which means it's possible for her to get pregnant as young as 4 months. Although there is no way to know for sure when a female cat will hit puberty, certain factors, such as breed, increase the chances of her maturing early. For example, a Siamese is known to mature early, around 4 months old, while a Persian tends to mature later, closer to 12 months old. Number 6. They don't get adopted as fast. A study done with cats at Partners for Pets Animal Shelter in Troy found that female cats were at the shelter longer than male cats. To be more specific, females were at the shelter an average of 8.3 months, while males were there an average of 6.4 months. This is likely because many people believe male cats are more affectionate than females. While some experts think there is truth to this, most agree that a cat's affection level usually boils down to its individual personality. So if you are thinking about adopting a cat, we strongly encourage you to base your decision on how well you bond with the cat instead of their sex. Number 7. Females stick together in colonies. A cat colony is a group of outside cats that stay close to food and shelter. Interestingly, males and females play different roles in this group. Females tend to stay together in colonies to help each other raise and guard kittens. On the other hand, males remain on their own to avoid having to compete for females and food. When males aren't off on their own, they usually hang around the edges and wait for the chance to mate. Number 8. Tortoiseshells and calicos are female. A tortoiseshell cat has a bicolored coat that looks like the shell of a tortoise. Its colors are usually ginger and black. Similarly, a calico has a tricolor coat with a white base and orange and black patches. It turns out that most calicos and torties are females thanks to their DNA. Remember that females have 2 X chromosomes while males have 1 X and 1 Y chromosome. Since 2 X chromosomes are needed to make a calico or tortoiseshell coat, these coat patterns are almost always reserved for the ladies. Number 9. Spayed females live longer. A study done by Banfield Pet Hospitals, based on a database of 460,000 cats, found that spayed female cats live 39% longer than unspayed females. And there are actually a few reasons for this. First, a spayed female is completely eliminated from the risk of ovarian and uterine cancers. This is because the ovaries and uterus are removed during the operation. Also, a spayed female is at a reduced risk for breast and mammary cancers, as well as mammary and reproductive tumors. Number 10. The world's oldest cat was female. Creme Puff won the Guinness World Record for oldest cat ever after living 38 years and 3 days. That's right. This tabby mix female was born on August 3, 1967 and lived until August 6, 2005. Creme Puff lived in Austin, Texas with her owner, Jake Perry. But it gets even more bizarre because Creme Puff isn't the first of Jake's cats to win this record. The previous record holder from 1998 was given to his cat grandpa Rex's Allen, who lived to be 34. According to Jake, about a third of his cats have lived to be at least 30 years old, which is about twice the average lifespan for a feline. Number 11. The most popular female cat name is Bella. It turns out that Bella isn't just a popular name for human girls. According to Nationwide Pet Insurance's policyholder database, the most popular female cat name for 2021 was found to be Bella. The name Bella means beautiful in Italian. Bella is a popular nickname for Isabella, Annabella, and Arabella, but it's also very popular as a standalone name, especially in recent times. If you have a cat named Bella, let us know in the comments. That's all for today. Hope you found this video interesting. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.